Hey guys, as some of you already know, I'm an animal lover. I love all animals. I do. But as far as sharing my residence with them, well, I've had fish literally all of my life. I've had dogs off and on for the majority of my life. And cats, well, you know I love them. But I just hooked up with this crew about 4 years ago. First time I've lived with cats. And I must say that out of all the animals I've been around, they have the weirdest and most unexplainable behaviors of all. Hey, you guys are cat lovers out there. Maybe someone can help me out. Let me ask y'all a question. Are cats cuckoo? You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. I'm not telling y'all nothing by saying that cats are crazy, but why do cats do some of the things that they do? Well, I'm gonna take a stab at a few. Let's see. What about them running around half the night when you're trying to sleep? Don't they know that you gotta go to work in the morning? Well, this dates back to their ancestors. You see, in nature, cats hunt at night to take advantage of their keen eyesight. They tend to sleep a lot during the day so that they can be rested and up at night ready to hunt. Fortunately, we can curb this somewhat. Cats like to spend time with their humans. So when they come to live with us, sometimes they will naturally adjust their sleep pattern to be more in line with ours. It is also very important to tire them out with play during the day. Why do cats show you their butt? As awful as this may seem, it's actually your cat giving you a compliment. Cats sniff each other's butt to say, hello, how are you? To them, it's like a handshake. So when your cat turns around and presents their butt, they like you? Robin, are you sure? So guys, today is Robin's 4th birthday. And we've been talking to him for a week now, asking him what he wants to do. And Robin keeps saying nothing. Well, he did say he wants to get some sleep. And of course, I reminded him that all he does is sleep now. Now, for those of you who have been with us for a while, you may remember for Batman and Bruhman's birthday, we did it up. We had a cake, a party, and everything. I plan to do the same for Robin. Was gonna call it Robin's Big Bash. Get a banner made up and everything. But when I asked Robin about it, he said he don't like loud music. And he don't want a cake because he's on a diet. I said okay, but you know, in spite of that, I was determined to do something anyway. So folks, let me show y'all Robin's Big Bash. That cat is Cuckoo. Right, man? Does your cat ever poop outside of the box? Now they got to be tripping. Cats are clean animals. If the litter box is too dirty, they will not use it. They're trying to send you a message. Also make sure you have the adequate number of litter boxes. Litter box issues can also be caused by illnesses. So if everything else is straight and they keep doing this, take them to the vet. What about when cats bring you dead mice or birds that they've killed? Ew. Is this unsanitary? Yes, but it's the most heartwarming thing they could ever do. You see, this is their way of thanking us for all that we do for them. They consider it a gift. Now let me tell you what not to do. Don't fuss at them for doing this. It's a natural thing for them. Don't confuse them. And you definitely don't want to praise them for it, because then you may start getting a mouse every day. Now some of you may think this is cute, that he plays fetch like a dog, but he doesn't know when to stop. He stays in my face with this. Usually I have to run, and he's wearing my arm out. This is a picture of me just last week. Cats are cuckoo. The list is too long. What crazy things does your cat do? I bet you have a list of your own. Leave a few in the comments. Let's see who has the most cuckoo cat. Now remember folks, even though they crazy, treat them well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Hey, make sure to treat them like family. Thanks.